Are you a job seeker or working professional who is looking to land your dream job? If so, then this is the very important video for you. Why this is very important? Because I'm going to talk about a new concept, a new way of doing things for applying jobs. Okay, what is the new way? Are you wondering what is the new way? So the new way is how to make a powerful video resume. Okay, video resume is the new normal, especially after this post pandemic. Every company is asking for video resume because it will help them to identify their potential candidates much better way. Okay, if you do not know about me, hi, this is Dr. Karuna. I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh Tamil working professionals to land their dream job and double their salary in the fastest possible way. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to share a 6-step process to build your first video resume or next video resume. Okay, it's not a long format, it's a very short format. Okay, 1 minute powerful video resume. Okay, I'm going to share that. Okay, so the first thing you need to share about your name. Okay, who are you? Okay, then you can talk about your expertise. Okay, that's the second step. If you're not taking notes, start taking notes. Okay, very important process. Okay, you can talk about your expertise. Then third, you can talk about the mission. What's the problem you are going to solve for the company? Okay, why you are doing that, why you are doing what you are doing. It's not about I want job, it's about what is the problem you are going to solve for the company. How can you help the company to solve the problem? Okay, be very clear on that. That is your marketing message. Resume is nothing but it's a marketing tool to sell your offer. Okay, resume is a marketing tool to sell your offer. What are you offering to the company? Imagine like this. Okay, what is your offer, what is the value you are going to give to the company? Okay, that's the mission statement. So okay, so the template can be like this. Okay, hi, I'm Dr. Karuna, your name. I'm on a mission to help dash company or industry, okay, achieve dash goal. Okay, that is how the template goes. Okay, so for example, if I'm a veterinarian, okay, I'm going back 4 to 5 years back. Okay, hi, I'm Dr. Karuna, I'm a veterinarian. Okay, I'm a passionate veterinarian. Okay, I'm on a mission to help pet hospitals become profitable and scalable by fixing their marketing and sales system. Okay, because my goal is what? Helping them to build a profitable and scalable business. I'm applying for business at position. Okay, then how can I do that? By helping them fix the marketing and the sales system. Okay, that's how I'm going to do it. Okay, so the goal and the problem, how you are going to solve that problem. Okay, so be very clear on your marketing message, which is your mission. Okay, see, currently how am I introducing myself? Hi, I'm Dr. Karuna, I'm a veterinarian turned business leader. I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh Tamil working professionals, which is very clear target market. Then to help them land their dream job and double their salary, which is the goal. Exactly, you need to position like this. Okay, very important to resume is nothing but it's a marketing tool to sell your offer. Okay, what are you offering to the company? Okay, that's the third step. And the fourth step is list down your top 3 accomplishments. You can talk about your top 3 accomplishments. If you have already previous work experience with related to the job, you can talk about that. If you do not have that, okay, you can talk about your other accomplishments as a human being in your life. Okay, and after that you can talk about social proof. Do you have evidences? Okay, previous employer வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு they will vote for you if you have already proved that you are a very good business leader or very good marketing manager or very good sales manager or a very good doctor, engineer, lawyer or something like that. Okay, do you have a good track record? Okay, we can talk about that. Then you need to give CTA, which is call to action. Okay, what you want the recruiter or the hiring manager to do now after completing the video. Okay, you can tell something like this. See, if you want my help in growing your company, you can just reach out to me at connect@drkarunakaran.com. Okay, it's a very clear call to action. Okay, this is very important because if you're not giving call to action, people are just people just watch the video and go away. Okay, and you do not want that to happen, because imagine if I am talking to you and I'm not giving you any instruction at the end to like the video, comment the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Are you going to do that? No. Okay, and there is a high possibility and chances that that action can be taken. Okay, again, not all the people are going to take the action, but definitely, if people are interested in your profile, if people are interested in your personality, definitely people are going to, you are going to get the callback for interviews. Okay, and this is the new way of doing things, because it is new, it is unique, and many people are not going to do that because they have a lot of fears, they have a lot of things going. Okay, if you can able to do this like this way, you can immediately stand out from the competition. Okay, so let's look at example. Okay, I'll just role play. This is not scripted, this is just as a example I'm going to show you today. Okay, hi, I'm Dr. Karuna. I'm a veterinarian turned business leader. I'm applying for the business position in your company. I've already worked in CavinKare, and I've helped them created two business models from scratch, and which is very very profitable and scalable business model. And I've turned around a business model from which is making minus 50 lakhs, and I help them to go from minus 50 lakhs to 3 crore per year business model. Okay, and I'm on a mission to help a small hospital to become a profitable and scalable business model. Okay, and I like helping doctors because basically I'm a doctor. Okay, so if you, and my previous track record says that. Okay, and you can check that too. I will attach the resume in the bottom of this video. Okay, you can check that out. If you are interested to if you want me to work for your company, you can just reach out to me at connect@drkarunapuran.com. Okay, thank you so much. I look forward to hearing your call from. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. How's it? Okay, this is just an template of course this is not a prepared. If I prepare, definitely I will do well. Okay, just I'm just doing on the go, right? Okay, but this is far far better than waiting and doing this. Okay, I generally I do not procrastinate. I just visualize what do I want, and I'll just go and do it. Okay, version 1 is better than version none. Okay, version 1 is better than version none. That's what I believe in. Okay, so what is that the next step I want you to, if you feel this video useful, okay, type it in the comment box what it means to you, and are you going to apply this, and is this a new to you, and what are you going to do with this knowledge. Okay, please try it for yourself and just update me on whatever is going to happen, because it is very new, and if you apply it, who knows, you may get double or triple the callbacks from the interviewers or from the hiring manager. Okay, so just try it and let me know. This is the new thing I found out. Okay, just go for it. Okay, and if you find this video useful, you can just attend my live masterclass. Okay, which I'm going to conduct on every Wednesday and every Sunday. Okay, you can check the upcoming masterclass link in the description. You can just attend my free masterclass so that you can get all your questions answered. I'll also tell you the 3 secrets to double your salary and to land your dream job. Okay, and that is the only place you can meet me live. You can just meet me and ask me all your questions. Okay, and by the end of this webinar, I'm going to offer my silver membership, and that is the perfect place to get you started. Okay, because already 50 plus working professionals have started their journey to build their super successful career. Okay, what are you waiting for? Just click the link below in the description and just attend my masterclass. Okay, that's the first action step. And second, just if you like this video, like it, comment the below video, subscribe to this channel so that you will get notified on my future videos, and also please share it with your friends so that it will help them to get their dream job. Okay, and if you're looking for dream job, you need to be there in my live masterclass. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in my webinar. Thank you so much. Bye bye.